Hello friends, welcome back to channel NEET. Today we are going to continue with the chapter that is known as biological classification, and we are dealing with the topic that is known as kingdom Protista. In previous classes we have covered about introduction, nutrition, reproduction. In today's video we are going to cover about groups of kingdom Protista. So let us start with groups of kingdom Protista. So in groups of kingdom Protista, it could be divided into four major parts. So let us see the four major groups that we could note in kingdom Protista. The first is plant like protist. Next is animal like protist. Next is fungi like protist. And finally is euglenoids. So let us now see examples of plant like protist, diatoms, desmids, dinoflagellate, are some example of plant like protists. Now let us see example of animal like protist. We have amoeba, we have paramecium, so these both are your animal like protist. So let us now see the example of fungi like protist. It is slime mold, and example of euglenoids is euglena. So now let us see what the group of protista are going to make us aware of. So groups of protista, the first group is plant like protist, then we have animal like protist, then we have fungi like protist, and we have euglenoids. And in plant like protist, the example of diatoms, desmids, and dinoflagellates. In animal like protist, the example of amoeba and paramecium. In fungi like protist, we have example of slime mold, and finally in euglenoids we have example of euglena. Now there is one more classification that we could note in the protist. We'll try and understand that. So let us now see one more classification with respect to protista. So they are divided into three major groups that we'll try and understand. The first group is photosynthetic protista. The next group is consumer decomposers. Protists. The last one is dependent upon protozoan, which are going to show you the mobility or basis of locomotion organs. So we'll try and understand about the examples of these three types or groups of protist now. Photosynthetic protist could be divided into three major groups. So we'll try and understand the names of those three major groups. The first is your diatoms. The next is your dinoflagellate. The next is your euglenoids. Let us now see the composer and decomposer protist. So the composer and decomposer protist could be divided into two particular part very properly. First is acellular slime mold. And the next is cellular slime mold. So let us now see, on the basis of locomotion we get some protozoans which could be divided as zooflagellate, next Sarcodina, next Sporozoa, and the next we have Ciliata. So this is another classification pattern that is noted with respect to group of protists. So group of protists could be divided into photosynthetic protist, next is your consumer decomposer protist, and third, on the basis of the locomotory organ that is seen in the protist, are divided in the following form. So let us understand what are the examples of the photosynthetic protists. Photosynthetic protists could be divided into diatoms, dinoflagellates, and consumer decomposer protists. You have acellular slime mold and you have cellular slime mold. The next, on the basis of the locomotory organ, this classification becomes important. On the basis of locomotory organ, you have presence of zooflagellate, Sarcodina, Sporozoa, and Ciliata. Now in the next part we are going to see in details with respect to photosynthetic protist, where we will be speaking in details with diatoms, dinoflagellates, and euglenoids. So these were the different groups that we have noted in the protista. So here we have completed about groups of protista. I hope you have understood today's topic. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.